how to find PayPal account ID. So let's get started. Firstly, open the PayPal website or app and sign into your account. Once signed in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the help option available there. After you tap on the help, let's wait for a few seconds for it to load. Once loaded, in the search address bar, type down the "What's my PayPal account ID" or "What's my PayPal account number." Once you type that down, you will get to see the same option available in the bottom. Tap on it and you will be navigated to the another page. Now there you will get to see what's your PayPal account ID or number. So as you can see, it says your PayPal account is not identified by an account number or ID. Your account is identified by the email address or phone number that you log in with. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.